Hello friends, my name is Vineet. Today I am going to explain about freedom fighters of India. What do you mean by freedom fighters? Who are freedom fighters? I will talk it in the video. Now, what are freedom fighters? Freedom fighters are those person who has freedom bravely for our life. Now we are free today because the African came and ruled on our country. So they fought bravely for our freedom. That's why we are free today. What are freedom fighters? Let me tell. Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, and like more things. Now I'm going to explain about the Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was a girl who fought bravely for our freedom. In those golden days, we can see olden days to golden days. In the golden age, there was no ladies clothes. She has to wear men clothes and she has to face so many problems. India said like you are wearing men's clothes, but she didn't pay any heed on that. And you can see today everyone is putting on men's clothes and women's also wearing. So let's get to our topic. Like Bhagat Singh, how they were three friends who say their thought every time, and they said हम अपना सिर झुका नहीं सकते पर कटवा सकते हैं. इसको हम कह सकते हैं we will not had our blood but can chop. This is slogan of his book. And Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, he defeated of the British, and the Mahatma Gandhi quit India movement, and Mahatma Gandhi said, "Let's leave India." Then he called force of British and said that you can leave our country. So many people were hanging their flags, saying go back. And you can see Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, he piloted an aeroplane in the air to land safely, but he met an accident. She wrote many slogans, and one of his slogans are Delhi Chalo, and I gave you blood, you give me freedom. It is one of the most slogan of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Now I can tell of Bhagat Singh that they were arrested and hanged of blasting bomb in the assembly hall. What is assembly hall? Assembly hall is where everyone stays there. Now you can see Mahatma Gandhi read up to university and came into India. He go to Saudi Arabia to study. Saudi Arabia out of India to study, and he came back in India to freedom our life. There he was death in freedom our country. So you can see this Republic Day is gone, 26th January. How which one number of this Republic Day? 77th Republic Day. I mean 77th Republic Day. They leave 1949 of India. The British leave the India at 1949. From that we have been seeing the Republic Parade. Now you can see where Independence Day is going to become. So it is on 15 August. We will celebrate Republic Day with great joy. And you can see the parade on mobiles. They held so many parades. So that's for all today. Bye. We will meet in next video. Like, share and subscribe.